Good afternoon, everybody. Steve from OpenBOM. In this video, we will be taking a deeper dive into the file lock or the lock file setting. And I want you to kind of think about this as a more modern check-in and check-out. Right, and I'll get to the details of that in just a moment. But we're going to zoom in here on this seat in the bicycle, and my colleague Steve Hess 10 has got it locked. Okay, so I am the user Steve Hess plus design. So I'm the design user. My colleague Steve Hess 10 user has got that file locked, and I'm doing some work on the bike, and I come down to the seat and I'm like, hey, I need to, got to make some changes to this shape. So I make some changes to the seat. Time to save it and kind of get back to work. Watch what's going to happen. SolidWorks is going to tell me, hey, look, you're getting ready to change some data that's locked by another user. Okay, what do you want to do? Here's where it gets different than check-in, check-out. In old PDM, if I don't have the file checked out, I can't make any changes. In this case, I know that my colleague has got it locked, but I still want to make some changes, and I say yes. Okay, I go ahead and I save that file out, and I get back to work and doing some other work. Here's where the difference comes up. When I get back, I get done with my work, I click on my Smart Sync. I'm going to put all this back, and I'm going to get a message here that says, "Hey, look, I keep that file locked. We're going to sync the rest of the files, but we're not going to be able to sync that file." So then I have to get together with my colleague. Maybe he hasn't made any changes. He can uncheck it. We have to get together and resolve our changes. But the point that I'm making here is that in a case where it suits you, you can still get your work done with a locked file. You just won't be able to put it back on the server. So I want you to think about the difference between that kind of a more modern workflow and the old workflow where I had to have the file checked out to even save my changes. So in another video, I'm gonna go through an example of with a few more changes. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of talk you through that. That's the lock file setting. You can see my other files here updated, but the seat, which which my colleague had locked, I wasn't able to send it back. So anyway, love to hear from you. Support, of course. And in the next video, I'll do a little more complex multi-file locking example. Thanks.